Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool prompt that you can utilize on ChatGPT to basically turn any topic into a crash course to learn the topic or skill in a matter of 7 days. So you can use this prompt simply by copying it and pasting it into ChatGPT. You don't need to add anything because the whole purpose of the prompt is to be beginner friendly, and basically it's going to ask you a series of questions that you can respond to, and it'll basically create the plan for you off of those questions and your responses to those questions. So try to be as detailed as possible. And you can get the prompt by simply copying it from the description of this video or as the pinned comment, depending which one YouTube allows me to do. So you basically copy it and you'd go ahead and just simply paste it into ChatGPT, click enter, and then follow up with all of the questions it asks. Now, you can use the prompt in a standard ChatGPT chat, or you can use it in a custom GPT like many people do. But what I often recommend when using these types of prompts that we use on this channel is to simply use projects mode. Now, I like projects mode for ChatGPT because it keeps everything confined and organized in one space. It's like your own personal folder for some sort of project. And in this case, we are kind of diving into a form of a project by learning a skill or a topic in a crash course form in a matter of 7 days. So what's cool about this too is by using this little feature right here in memory, you can keep the memories to project only. This way, any information that's uploaded or used in this chat or in this project is confined to this project and won't go into other chats, and vice versa. Other chats, memories, and stuff that you've covered in other chats simply won't come into this one, and it just keeps the memory hygiene of your ChatGPT nice and clean. So we're going to just call this 7-day, just for the hell of it, and we're going to go ahead and create the project with the memory mode on. And now we're going to go ahead and paste the prompt. So this is what the prompt looks like. Now you'll also see it, like I said, in the description of the video or as the pinned comment, which you can just copy and paste and enter in. Now, as you can see here, it says, "You are my 7-day crash course builder. Your job is to turn any topic into a 7-day learning plan with daily lessons, practice, and quick tests." And it goes on, and it'll ask you a series of questions. But to begin, you simply just go ahead and click enter, and you'll see the first thing that pops up is a question, which ChatGPT will then send you a battery of questions essentially as you answer each one to get more information on what you want to do. And once it's all filled out, it'll actually be your crash course builder. You'll be in the crash course at that point. So what do you want? What topic do you want a 7-day crash course on? So I'll just say basic computer coding. Let's just say this, or computer programming / coding. Just come up with something general, doesn't really make a difference, and I'll go ahead and click enter. And as you'll see, it's going to present us with another question and go through a series of questions. So I'm going to go ahead and answer each of these and then come back to you guys and just skim through them really quickly. That way I'm not taking all video answering these questions, just so I can show you guys exactly how this works. So I'll be right back after answering these questions. Alright, so I went through all of the questions and now it's thinking and processing our plan. So I'll scroll up and just show you guys really quickly what some of them looked like. So what was the topic? What's your current level? I just said beginner, and it's all usually multiple choice. What's your goal by day 7? What should you be able to do? I just said basic level coding. How much time per day in minutes? I said 60. The preferred learning style, I chose balanced. What format would I like to use? I said both for notes and quizzes, something that could be a bit more active, engaged learning. Any constraints? I just said basic language, easy for beginners. And any resources? I said anything I can access for free with a medium difficulty overall. So then after answering all of these questions, as you can see here, it starts giving you the 7-day crash course immediately. And obviously, with this type of prompt, you can tinker it and play around with it. You can tell it certain things you don't like about the crash course, that there's something you'd like to change or something you'd like included. You can just basically tell it, because this prompt just basically sets up the template, and it's perfect to start up regularly, but by adding more information and being as detailed with your request as possible, the better it will perform overall. So as we can see here, 7-day crash course, beginner coding with Python, 60 minutes a day, which was what we requested. And it says free tools, resources, anytime. It gives us a whole list. 1-page crash course map. It tells us what we'll be doing, running code, print, input variables, common beginner mistakes to avoid. It goes day by day with a day-by-day plan, daily structure, day 1, what we'll be doing, and it goes on and on to literally create a crash course for you so you can genuinely learn this topic or this skill in a matter of 7 days with, reasonable possibility. Obviously, there's no promises that you will learn the skill perfectly within 7 days, but it creates a plan to make it feasible and actually actionable. So let's scroll down and see. End of course challenge, mini project. It even gives you a project at the end for you to engage in this case. So daily mode. Whenever you say start day X, I will run only that day. So this way you stay organized and you can tell it what day you're on and go at your own pace. You don't have to keep it 7 days. It is organized on your own timeline, but you can say start day 1 now, and if you want to continue on to day 2 today, you could. You just simply say start day 2 and you can see what it'll tell you. So you do the practice task, answer the quiz, I grade it, fix mistakes, 1 to 2 lines each, and end with tomorrow's focus and 5 things to review. So that's how easy it is to learn almost any topic or skill with this prompt in ChatGPT. So once again, you just simply copy the prompt from the description or in the comment section, paste it into ChatGPT, answer its questions, and you're good to go. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.